Hydroxy compound alcohols organic chemistry la hydroxy compounds and ethers la first hydroxy compounds பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். alcohols பற்றி. What are alcohols? ஹைட்ரோகார்பன்ஸில் ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கு பதில் ஒரு OH ஆல்கஹாலிக் குரூப் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணியிருந்தால் அதுக்கு என்னென்ன பேர்? ஆல்கஹால்ஸ் அப்படின்னு பேர். ஹைட்ராக்சி காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஈத்தேனில் வந்து ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கு பதிலாக ஒரு OH இருந்தால் அதுக்கு என்னென்ன பேர்? This ethanol, ethyl alcohol, alkyl group ethyl, in OH substitute ஆயிருக்கு ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. Here the CH3 CH2 ethane is the root word, root compound, and the suffix is alcohol OH group called by the name OL. இந்த எத்தனால் ஆல்கஹாலுக்கு வந்து எப்படி நேம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த சஃபிக்ஸ் OH வந்து OL அப்படிங்கிற letters which we are naming out. For example, CH3 CH2OH ethyl alcohol. Here ethane is the root word, OL is the suffix, called ethanol is the IUPAC name. So what are alcohols? Are hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen replaced by alcoholic group. Alcohols are classified depending upon the number of hydroxyl group, depending upon the saturation and unsaturation, depending upon the OH attached to the what carbon atom, and also depending upon the presence of benzene ring in a compound. The first classification வந்து என்னது அப்படின்னா the depending upon the number of hydroxyl group present. Monohydric alcohol is only one OH group is present. Polyhydric alcohol is one or more hydroxyl group is present. So the first classification of alcohol based on number of hydroxyl group. Monohydric alcohol contains only one OH group. The simplest example is CH3 CH2OH. What is polyhydric? Polyhydric alcohol contains here the one or more hydrogen replaced by OH group called polyhydric alcohol. Example, ethane here replaced by 2 hydrogen, the OH replaced. So called ethane diol, the glycol. So 1, 2, 3 propane triol glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Here this one is trihydric alcohol. And here sorbitol, here 6 hydroxyl groups are present, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Here the hexanol, here for 6 hydroxyl groups are present. So monohydric and polyhydric alcohol depending upon number of hydroxyl group. Next one is saturated and unsaturated alcohol. What a saturated alcohol is? Hydroxyl group present in a compound where the all carbon atom are sp3 hybridized. What is the meaning of that is the valency of carbon is, the valency 4 of carbon is satisfied, is called saturated alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, propanol. Here there is no double or triple bond, all carbon atom are sp3 hybridized, called saturated alcohol. What are unsaturated alcohol? Here unsaturated alcohol in which the compound which contain OH group where sp2 hybridized carbon is present, CH2 double bond CHOH. Here the valency of carbon is not satisfied but it contains OH group called unsaturated alcohol. Here the name of the compound get differed depending upon the substituent present. So saturated and unsaturated alcohol. Next one is the classification of alcohol based on the OH group is substituted to what carbon atom. Here the OH group substituted to the carbon atom, to that only one methyl group is present. This type of alcohol is called primary alcohol. So OH, ethyl alcohol is the example, ethanol. Secondary alcohol or 2-degree alcohol where OH group attached to the carbon atom, to the 2 methyl groups are present. Here naming is, we are taking the lengthier chain as a main chain, CH3, CH2, CH1, 2, 3, 2 propanol. So propane 2-ol is example of secondary alcohol. tertiary alcohol, the OH group attached to the carbon to that 3 methyl groups are present. So this is taken as a main chain 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl, 2 propanol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, OH group attached to the carbon to that 3 methyl groups are present. Tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. Depends upon the OH group attached to the what carbon atom. OH group attached to the what carbon atom. Next one is aliphatic and aromatic alcohol. What are aromatic alcohol? Are alcohols which contain benzene ring in its structure. Alcohols which contain benzene ring in its structure are called aromatic alcohol. So for example, the phenol in which the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring are called phenol. There are more number of substituted phenols are available. And here another aromatic alcohol, here also benzene ring is present, but here the OH group attached to the side chain of the benzene ring. Here they called benzyl group, CCH5CH2OH. This one is called benzyl group. So benzyl group to that OH group is attached. The original structure is this one. Here this is a side chain. CH2OH is a side chain present in the benzene ring. Here the OH is present. So aromatic alcohol contains benzene ring in its structure. Directly to the benzene ring, OH is attached called phenols. OH is present in the side chain. It is called benzyl alcohol, called aromatic alcohol. What are aliphatic alcohols? Aliphatic alcohol where here the ethyl group with the hydroxyl group called ethyl alcohol, and here butane, here the numbering, here the unsaturated alcohol, unsaturation is present. Here how we got to name 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the third position alkene is present, double bond is present. Second position OH is present, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, thereby but 3 in 2 all. But 3 in 2 all. So aliphatic alcohol where the alcohol hydroxyl group is present in a compound which contains or attached to a alkyl and allyl groups are called aliphatic alcohol. Now we are going to see the general classification what you have seen already. So alcohols are classified into monohydric and polyhydric. Monohydric and polyhydric depending upon the hydroxyl group present, depending upon the number of hydroxyl group present. Saturated and unsaturated depending upon the compounds containing hydroxy group, whether it contains double bond or triple bond. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol where the OH group is attached to what carbon atom. And aliphatic and aromatic alcohol, that is OH group attached to allyl and alkyl group, and OH group directly attached to the benzene, and OH group attached to the side chain of the benzene. So what is alcohol and how alcohols are classified? All alcohol ends with the suffix OL. All alcohol ends with the suffix OL.